welcome back to another vlog. Today is the 9th of June. It is 10:24. I've not vlogged in a hot minute, so I did vlog on Monday, but I was supposed to post that on Tuesday. But when I was actually editing the vlog, it looked so lame. Like it was really lame. Like even for me to say it just seems so boring. Like I woke up, did my breakfast, the same thing. So I just decided not to post it. Today I have something going on. So it is Wednesday. It is day 9 of lockdown. Like, is it only day 9? It feels like day 100 and don't know what. Today is also grocery day, and yeah, so you know how I go to 2 places usually to do my grocery shopping. I go to CS and then I go to Village Grocer. But today we are going to only do the Village Grocer part because I still have like my essentials like onions and all that stuff. I still have that. I have run out of my other essentials. I've just run out of like milk, and you know how important milk is for me. Like there's constantly, I have to have milk, especially for my coffee. So I've run out of milk, chicken ham, and a bunch of other stuff. So today I'm thinking, because I want to actually get the caramel sauce, you know, like from Hershey's or Leiden's or anything like that. I'm looking to get the caramel sauce. But at my, hold on, it's actually my auntie. Hello?
Hello, how are you?
Hi, Padma, morning.
How are you?
At home. Okay. Bye. Okay, so what I was saying was I am actually looking to get the caramel sauce, which at my local Village Grocer, JI Grocer, the one that I usually go to, they do not have it. Like I've seen it all the time, but the day I wanted to get it, it was not there. As you know, I've been rambling about how I want to include caramel into my coffee and make my own version of like a caramel frap, the one that we get at Starbucks. So I was thinking of heading to the nearest cold storage and see if I can get it there. So I am a bit excited of going to like a newer grocery shopping. This is the only activity I get to do outside of the house on MCO on lockdown. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm just gonna write down what I need to buy, just so that I do not forget anything. Sometimes I go in and then I get really excited and then I end up forgetting what I need to buy. Okay, would definitely be my milk, chicken ham, caramel, my dishwashing liquid, also my hair is like oily on the top, but it's like pretty on the bottom, like the bottom part. Also, do you guys notice my hair is a bit shorter? I did cut it the other day. I cut it at home because the ends were like so thin and it looked like rat's tails, whatever. So since my bottom looks nice but the top looks weird, I'm just gonna throw on like a cap, just to cover the oily part, and then we leave the beautiful parts outside. Okay, let's go. I don't know if my husband is already ready. Let's go. Morning, my love. Hey, why don't you change?
I already Monday.
But you still look so sleepy. Why so late? Morning, friend.
Morning.
Oh, I forgot. I want to buy juice. Juice. Then my guava juice finishing. Sadly, they only have the Lions one. They don't have the Hershey's one, but the Hershey's one is actually more, like the bottle has more quantity versus this. But I think Maybe we'll check the ice cream section and see if they have anything else. Hey guys, we are back. So hot. I just washed my hands. I've not washed my face yet. I thought I'll just quickly do a quick grocery haul because I want to put this in the fridge. So let's see what I got. And the funny thing is, the place that I went to today, I thought it was a cool storage, but it ended up being a village grocer. But they had way more varieties and selections compared to the one that I usually go to. Okay, so I got milk, juice, mushrooms, chicken for today night, chicken ham, cheese, breakfast sausages, fish balls, ice cream, baking soda, and chocolates. So we found this, like this Kit Kat bar with orange, and my husband likes chocolate with orange flavored stuff inside. So let's give it a try. Ketchup?
Throw the dish. Wow.
Wait, we try together,
It's 104 calories.
But you saw the wrapping or not? It's like the olden days Kit Kat.
What is it?
Yeah, the foil. Nowadays no foil.
Then what is that?
Nowadays it's straight plastic open, like this plastic open. Plastic open, straight chocolate. Where got foil like this? Foil?
Wow.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay, cheers. This is so nice.
And no coffee from morning.
Hey guys, okay, so now I think it's about 7 and I'm about to just start my chicken curry and toss. I have the toss mix here. I have to mix this and let it sit for about half an hour, so we'll do that and then do the curry and then we'll see how the toss comes together. Ignore my oily hair and oily face. Okay, so dinner is served. My husband has actually taken his food into his office to eat because he's on a call. So let me show you. The toaster did not turn out like restaurant standard, but it's edible. So this is dinner, bolela, but the curry is like really nice today. So I'm going to eat this while watching my Gilmore Girls.
Kitchen staff, I'm feeling superior, and I like it.
How long have you been up here?
Since you made me promise that no food would leave the premises. Well, here I am, keeping my promises. Pedro, give me the ladle.
Pedro, do not give her that ladle.
Give me the ladle, Pedro.
Vente junto conmigo, Pedro.
Yo soy su jefe.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options. Every
Hey guys, it is what time is it now? It is 12:32. Like 12:32 a.m. We had quite a nice dinner. The toaster did not turn out as well I expected it to. I mean, I'm naturally not a person that can do the dosa well, but I don't know, maybe it's the flour because it's ready made anyway, but it was okay. Also my tripod, yeah, the camera stand is giving up on me. Like, look at it, you are jiggling, so I need to order like a new camera stand. And what else, just okay, taking my sleeping mask. I just washed my face today, so I've got no toner on, nothing like that. On nights where I do like oiling or like my sleeping mask, I like to just let the skin just sit, as you can see, you know, the moment you put it on. And in the morning, my skin, when I was first introduced to this brand, because it's Korean skincare, if I'm not mistaken, Korean, Japanese, something like that. I'm not a big fan of like Korean, Japanese skincare because I think they do not understand Indian skin tones, because like deeper skin tones, we are completely different from like Asian skin tones because we are deeper, our skin color is deeper, we have like hyperpigmentation and all that stuff. So when I actually tried the sleeping mask, and by the way, I've never tried any sleeping, and this is not sponsored by the way, I've never tried any other sleeping mask. So when I tried this the first time, when I put it on, next morning my skin was so hydrated, so supple, and as I kept using it, I noticed that it helped a lot with like textures and all that stuff. Then whatever left, I'm just rubbing it on my hand. And yeah, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I missed vlogging, like I really missed vlogging. The week that I took off, I was just feeling slightly funky, but everything is good now. And yes, I absolutely miss vlogging. I know a lot of you miss watching the vlogs as well, and it means so much to me that you actually take time off your day to watch me do stuff. And a lot of stuff that I do are like lame, are like really normal life stuff, and I'm so grateful that you guys take the time to watch this. So if you're watching under here, a special when I get into it, I cannot stop. What I meant to say was a special thank you from the bottom of my heart for taking the time off to just watch whatever that I post. The amount of support, the amount of love, I cannot say this enough. I will never stop saying this enough. Just so grateful. And yes, you guys, so I'm gonna head off. I've got like my iPad here. I've been watching Gilmore Girls, as you know, and I've been crying. I'm at the end of season 5 now, starting on season 6, and it's an emotional show. Like it hits close to home. Anyways, thank you so much for watching until here. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.